train my guys because I've just had so many at my house. So I really haven't had any time to train any of them. It's just
Yeah.
basically taking care of them, which is,
Get through the day.
yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, my new ones, as I say, I've gotten a few. I had some leave, like I said, gotten a few, but this, in the dead of winter like this, usually there's not a lot of,
Activity.
yeah, not a lot of them in the pounds, but I got, yeah, I could show you those. There's a little girl down there that's a saddleback.
Oh,
Pied.
you are just jumpy.
Yeah, see, he's very, very wary. I got her, I got, what else did I get? Seemed like there were a couple.
Izzy's a good boy.